Kettleman's Bagels is proud to support Grill This, Smoke That. Kettleman's, makers of wood-fired Montreal-style bagels using only premium ingredients. With 3 Ottawa locations, Kettleman's menu is available 24/7, 365 days a year. Grill This, Smoke That is generously supported by Oven Brothers, makers of handcrafted Canadian-made wood-burning outdoor ovens for inspired chefs. Visit us at ovenbrothers.ca. Oven Brothers, from our family's backyard to yours.
Grill This, Smoke That is brought to you by Furtado Farms. For all your outdoor cooking needs, they're your premium source for cookwood. Whether it's pellets, chips, chunks, or logs, they've got you covered. Visit furtadofarms.ca for more info.
New Brunswick has produced some amazing, lovely condiments and coulis to be enjoyed year-round, thanks to you.
Well, it's just the master of the grill meets the mistress of the pickle.
I'm telling you, it was a great combination. We have 3 lovely dishes here that you can describe for us once again.
Sure, we've got this smoked blackberry coulis that can be used in all sorts of dessert applications or as a sauce with roasted meats, duck you mentioned.
Right.
And then we've got our quick pickled grilled corn that's got a lot of nice flavors in there, along with hot peppers, onions, pepper, different things. And then last but not least, our smoked cranberry and onion chutney, again, great as a condiments on crostini for an appetizer, and they all can stay in the fridge for a couple of months after you make them.
How perfect is that? Summer in a jar.
That's right.
Thanks again, Paula, for coming out on Grill This, Smoke That. It was a pleasure having you out. I read your articles constantly, and you're a great friend, and I'm thanking you once again for coming out.
Thanks so much.
All right. We'll see you next time on Grill This, Smoke That.